Hey, what's up, everyone? I was recently contacted by someone who was looking to buy some switches from me on Reddit. They asked if I knew where they could find a sound test comparison of Boba U4 and Boba U4T switches, as they were unable to find a direct comparison of the two. I did not know of any video like that, so I agreed to make a comparison video for them, and this is that video. The switches on the left with the black keycaps are the U4T switches, and the switches on the right with the white keycaps are the U4. The keycaps are cheap DSA profile blanks I purchased from AliExpress. I hope this video can help you decide if you want the silenced U4 stems or the thocky U4T stems. These switches are made with black bases and tops and have the new 65-gram Gazzew springs in them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and show some love, and hit subscribe to catch all my future content. And without any further ado, here we go.